2005?
2005.
We got a Mazda 2005, and we got a B223 code.
2232.
Oh, sorry, B2232 code. And we're going to change out the clock spring. So in order to do so, on your steering wheel, if it's mounted to the vehicle and your airbag is on. So this right here would be where your airbag goes. Okay, so here on the steering wheel, there's a little bolt there and another one on this side. So they're 10mm bolts. Take those two out. Down underneath, like of the steering column, you have some Phillips. Take out those screws so you can actually pop this apart. And you're going to want to disconnect your airbag. So have like a little flathead screwdriver or something there. You pick up these little plastic pieces off the back. So you pop them up and then this piece just pops off. Same thing with the yellow. Make sure your battery is disconnected. So I mean, play it smart, do both sides. I mean, some guys will just do the negative or just positive, but I do both. So anyways, long story short, to get this out, so your wheel is still on, okay? You have a 21 mil nut or screw.
It's a nut.
Oh, it's like a 21 mil bolt that screws down into here, holds everything to place. That'll get your steering wheel off. Pull this off. You get your screws down off of here, so you can get this down and out of the way.
You got 3 Phillips, one here, and one on this side.
So you got your 3 Phillips, as you just pointed out. You're going to want to plug that in or disconnect it when you pull off the old one. And then when you put on the new one, plug that in, put your 3 screws in. But first, when you go to line these up, it's only going to turn like three turns or so each way. Then it wants you to turn it back.
You turn it clockwise all the way. For these specific ones, you turn it clockwise all the way, and then you turn it back 2 3/4 turns. It says it somewhere up here. And then you line up. There's 2 little arrows. There's an arrow right here and another arrow right there. So we've already backed it back, and that should be straight.
So you line those up, lock her in place, put your wheel on, and good to go. Then it's all reverse. So then you put you feed your wires back through your steering wheel. You hook your airbag up. You bolt your airbag on, or you put this on, then bolt your airbag up, and c'est la vie. Hook your battery back up, and your code should be fixed. Have a nice day. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Like it so we can. So future people can see this video, and it gives us a hand. And we'll see you guys all in the next one.
Ciao.